insurance company is protected? Who insures the insurer? I hear that every day. Now, insurance companies are almost always calling individuals and corporate entities. Hello, could you please take this insurance? It's good for you. Do a life claims, do a this, do a that. But, you know, as can be put in jest, the question is, who watches the watchman? Who insures insurance company? Or you guys, because you're an insurance company, you're okay, you're cool.
Thank you very much. And I want to take this opportunity to say it's a pleasure to have the magic of radio,
right,
to educate the insurance public on insurance, and to also thank the Ghana Insurance Association for putting this program together.
That's right.
It's my pleasure to be here.
You're welcome.
And first of all, your question.
Yeah.
Insurance companies, who insures them?
Yeah, who watches the watchman? Who insures them?
Greatly. There is a specialized group of insurance companies licensed by the National Insurance Commission to perform that role. And these companies are referred to as reinsurance companies. So basically, they have the technical knowledge and the financial capacity to accept larger and complex risk. So in simple terms, reinsurers are those who actually insures insurance companies.
So that means that insurance company, they give their portion of their premiums to reinsurance companies, right?
Exactly. Exactly so. In much the same way that you as an individual pay premiums to insurance companies when you buy your insurance policies. In much the same way, once we provide that support, reinsurance support, in trying to take a certain portion of the risk, the same portion that we have accepted is paid to us in terms of premiums. So we offer reinsurance support for risks that are above the retentions of the insurance companies, and they in turn will pay us for offering that support.
So as the client say, a car owner privy to a reinsurance arrangement his or insurance company may have on his or a motor insurance policy?
Unfortunately, no. Because in law, there's something that they call the privity of contract. If you are not a party to the contract, you have no right to actually enforce the conditions under your contract.
Really?
Yeah. So in that situation, the contract of reinsurance is between the insurance company and the reinsurance company.
Got nothing to do with the individual
at all.
So I can go directly to Ghana Reinsurance Company to say, hello, insure my house. I can do that.
Let me put it this way. There are conditions where you can.
Okay.
There are conditions under which an insured, a direct insured, can actually go and want to make a claim on a reinsurance company. But that only happens in rare situations where there is the insured actually believes that his insurance company is in financial difficulty.
So these are the exceptions.
That should be the only exception, and that will not only just come out of the blue that, oh, I've heard that my insurance company is going bankrupt. So I just wake up and walk to the reinsurance company and want to make a claim. The direct insured should have his insurance policy actually endorsed with a clause that we call a cut-through clause.
A what?
A cut-through clause.
Okay.
So that provision would have to be inserted in the direct insured's policy.
Okay.
That is the only time that he has the right to be able to walk to a reinsurance company and say, this is what I have. That's been inserted in my policy. And I understand that my insurance company is in crisis and I have a problem, or I've suffered a loss, and can I really recover directly from you? Without that.
So it means that when I can rely on my insurance company, that is the only time, or when I think that my insurance company is in crisis.
Yes.
That is the only time that using that clause I can go, right? So why can't I decide on, say, how much percentage of my premium should go to the reinsurance company? That decision is not left to me. That
decision is not left to you, but you can decide a choice of reinsurer. That one you have.
Okay.
You can decide that, oh, I want my risk or my business insured with Reinsurer A, Reinsurer B, Reinsurer C, and that you have the option to decide when you go into the negotiation with your insurance company. You can say, go to Ghana Reinsurance and get my business reinsured with them, because I trust them, because I believe in their technical capacity, I believe in their financial capability to be able to support me when I suffer a loss.
So it looks like everybody's been protected, me the individual, protected by my insurance company. The insurance company is protected by the reinsurance company. So next question, how are reinsurance company also insured?
Right.
Or they are cool?
That's a very good question.
Yeah.
We are never cool, because in insurance, we say that it is the sharing of risk.
Okay.
Because risk in Ghana can find its way across Africa and go outside to another company for protection, because all we need to do is that when you suffer a loss, we should be able to repay you, bring you back to that same state in which you were before then.
Okay.
If I accumulate all the risk as a reinsurer, then it means that one risk can actually let me go down.
Yes.
So I pick your risk and I look for a partner, and we'll call it technically a retrocession partner.
A retrocession partner.
Or a retrocessionaire. To just put it in layman terms, it means that you find another big brother who can actually support you.
Okay.
So reinsurers, we also go look for support.
So, but you don't use that all the time. When, I mean, how does that happen?
No, we do, because I also go sometimes to the London market to buy protection.
Okay.
That gives me the capacity to be able to underwrite the risk that I need to be able to cater for all these insurance companies on this market, so that I can support them and ask them, if you have businesses of $100 million US, I am available to be able to support you. And the national insurance company, actually, before my license is given, will have to see if I've also got enough support to be able to cover myself in terms of that. So it is not as if the insurance company business just stops with us.
Okay.
We'll also go around looking for support.
Get a big brother.
Exactly. To be able to support us.
So does the reinsurance company pay claims directly to the client, or to the insurance company, who would then in turn pay to the full claim to the client as it falls? So from one to the other.
Like I said, unless you have a cut-through clause, you are not taking your claim from me directly as a reinsurer. It's the insurance company that I have the contract with, and he will make the claim on your behalf. But he needs to pay you.
Yes.
And then he only comes to collect his portion that he ceded to me.
Okay.
So having given me a certain percentage, maybe he gave me 10% of the business. Then after he has paid you fully, he tells me that, oh, Mr. Black has suffered a loss. And please give me back the 10% that I gave you. I've paid him, and this is my evidence of payment. And so then I would then just give you back your 10%.
With that confidence.
Yes.
Well, it's been great talking to you, Mr. Kwaku Appietu-Ankra from Ghana Reinsurance Company. Of course, today we've learned that the insurance company is insured. There's a big brother there, and that big brother has got another big brother. So
it never ends here.
It never ends there.
Yeah.
From Ghana Reinsurance Company, just tell us a little something about Ghana Reinsurance Company, apart from what we've learned today.
Right, okay. So Ghana Reinsurance Company has been in existence and providing reinsurance support for the general Ghanaian market and business spreads across Africa for the last 47 years. And we keep growing.
Wow.
And we believe that we remain the reinsurer of choice.
That's right.
Within the African continent, Ghana, and beyond. And so, because we believe that our unwavering and unchanging principle of offering timely, resourceful, and unique service through teamwork is what sets us apart. And so, for us, we believe that no matter your reinsurance needs, we at Ghana Re know what to do, why we do it, how we do it, and when to do it.
That's right.
And we'll continue doing what we know best by providing the innovative reinsurance services that is dependable and can be trusted. And that is all Ghana Re for you.
Ghana Reinsurance Company. And of course, thank you very much for coming to the show. I want to say thank you to the Ghana GIA Complaints Management and Advice Bureau. You can call them on 0800 442 1000. Insurance companies, claims payment, our business. Thank you very much, Mr. Kwaku Appietu-Ankra, and to everybody at the office listening right now, everybody listening. at Ghana Reinsurance Company. Good afternoon to you guys.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. It's been my pleasure, Mr. Black.
Thank you very much too.
Thank you, Joy FM.
Keep it locked on Joy 99.7 FM. Drive time on Joy. There's more coming up. Here's Sarkodie and King Promise. Can't let you go.
Jersey on the beat.